Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you're a mom like I am, then you know the struggle of the summertime fight of getting sunscreen on your littles. I am here to introduce you to a simple tool that is going to change your summertime life. This is the sunscreen applicator from Solar Buddies. This product is ingenious. So, I am a big proponent of clean and safe sunscreen, especially when it comes to littles. And most that you can find are a nice lotion consistency. But we all know how difficult it can be to get lotion on a little toddler. They have a mind of their own and they just don't want to sit there and let you do a nice thorough application. This tool has changed everything, and I am gifting it to all of my mom friends. You simply put your sunscreen in the top, and then it's ready to go for multiple applications. In the bottom, there's a super soft foam with a roller inside that applies the sunscreen. It comes on so easily and so nicely, and it's really fun for kids to do themselves. It's got a big grip for little hands. It rubs in so much more easily and evenly than it does trying to put the sunscreen on their arms and then rub it in. This allows for an easy and safe distribution of your sunscreen. It's simple, but you know what? Most of the best tools in life are simple. They solve a common problem and they make life easier. And that to me is a winning combination for a product for moms. I love the Solar Buddies sunscreen applicator, and if you've got littles, I think you will too. But that's my point of view.